Do you know how easy it is to add OAuth authentication to your Laravel application using Laravel Socialite? So here I have implemented this in a demo project. So here is the login with Google button. If I click here, it will redirect me to log into this website with Google. So here I will choose my account, and then it will authenticate me to this website. And yes, as you can see, I am inside. I am logging as Tauseed Zaman to this website using Google. That's the magic of Socialite package. So let's see what's going on behind the scenes. So here I have added two routes in the web.php file, one for redirecting to the Google and one for handling the callback request from the Google. So here I have just added the login with Google. Currently Socialite supports Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. So currently these are supported with the Socialite. If you want to know more about this package, go to Laravel docs, and on the packages, Socialite package is there. So I install this using Composer. So here is the command Composer install Laravel Socialite, and then I configure it. So it says in the service file you have to add these. If I go to config service.php, here I added those lines, Google, and then client ID, secret, and redirect URL. So inside the ENE file I added those client ID and client secret, and I added the callback URL also there. And these where you will get this, you will get this from the your Google account. If you go to Google and developer Google account, then you will find these there, client ID and client secret, and I add those here. And what else for this we need to do? If you inside login controller, I added those two methods, redirect to Google. So this redirects using Socialite package driver, and it redirects to Google. And once the authentication is done, then I am handling the Google callback. So here I am getting some information from the Google about that, and I'm authenticating the current user and logging him to this website. And we can get a lot of information about the particular user using this Socialite package. We can dive down this to see all the information that we are getting using Socialite package. You can easily implement this if you want to add OAuth authentication or login with Google, Facebook, Twitter. You can use this Socialite package to add